Hello crafty friends, it's Sherry here from S Handmade Cards. Today I'm back with another video, but this one is a special video because it's my first ever Happy Mail swap with my friend Chami from Nirvana Creations. So let me tell you something about Happy Mails first. Happy Mails are basically any mail that will brighten up someone's day, and for us crafters it means handmade cards, handmade goodies, supplies, and we are crazy for it, right? So let's dive into the video. So I have already prepared the base of my box. I have used a tissue paper in the base and some paper shreds and some confetti over here, and I mixed some glitter because I know that Chami loves glitter and pastels, so I tried to include all of the things in pastels and glitters. And yeah, our theme is birthday, so all the embellishments and stuff are in birthday theme. So the first embellishment that I made for her are these circle embellishments with the tassel hangings. So I have used a scalloped punch and some embellishments, and then I have used some thread, some blinks to add up, and then I have punched an eyelet here and used some jump rings to hang the tassel. Then I added the bow. Then I have used the sentiment, it's your day, and a text that says surprise. So this is the first thing. Then so here's my sequin chip laminated bag, and it includes 3 kind of bows and obviously glitters, Chami. So I have used a ruffle trim border here and some lace, and then I stitched hearts on the top. And then here is the term that says hooray. Okay, and then here is my third embellishment. This is very cute. So I have, this is without any die cuts. So I have made these mason jars, and there are some sequins inside. These are shaker mason jars, and I have tied the ribbon on the top, and then I have used the sentiment hip hip hooray, it's your day, big smile. So this is my third embellishment. And then my fourth embellishment that I made for her are these loaded rosettes. So I asked her if she likes flat rosettes or loaded ones. So she obviously liked loaded ones, so I made 2 of these loaded rosettes for her. So you can see the layering, and then I have added the chipboard word here which says laugh, and then I filled it with some sequins which she can reuse. Okay, what next? Okay, so I have made this lollipop charm for my Chami. So and I have attached a leather bow here, cute teeny tiny bow at the bottom. It's so cute. Okay, and I made this acetate pouch once, and she commented on my post that Sherry, please snatch it and give it to me. So I thought, why not make the same for her too. Let's open it up. Okay, so this is the box here. It's my favorite too actually. So these are all the sequence mixes that I have used, and I already shared it on my story and she loved it, and she was asking me to sell these sequence mixes, but let's see. She likes my sequence mixes too much, and she always asked me to sell these, so I thought why not make some sequence mixes for her. And then I have bought this tumbler for her, and it's holographic, and I loved it so much that I'm gonna order one for myself too. So I'm gifting her some rosettes too here, which she can use in her projects. Some paper rosettes, and I customized some vellum rosettes too for her. And then I have revamped this cute box, and it has a shaker on top which says it's all about you. So there are some sequins for her which I'm gifting. Yeah, so these are some holographic sequins that I'm gifting her. Some lemon shade, white snow shade, peaches, colorful ones, flower ones. Okay, so let's pack this back. And I'm giving her a sheet mask. I hope she loves it. And then this is the biggest one. Oops. This is the biggest one. This is my embellishment box that I made for her. It has two cute bows on the top. And then I have attached this tassel thingy. It has some beads, a pom-pom and a tassel. Then I attached these charms, heart lock charms. And I have made a shaker element which says hello love. And this opens up like that. And there's too much stuff, I can't. Just a second. Okay. So yeah, this opens up like that. And I have made her name banner which says Charmy. Okay, let me show it to you. So I've done some border cutting, and then I added sequins, some peaches and blue sequins, and in the base, and then I printed some colorful vellums and made rosettes out of it. Then I've used a scalloped punch here and some mulberry flowers, and then I stitched everything and used sequins lace over here. I hope you love this, Charmy. Then there are some supplies that I'm sending her. I made these ruffled borders and it says shine, so she can reuse the topper like that, and she can reuse the paper clip too. This goes back like that. Okay, and we were just talking the other day, and I told her that I'm a sucker for bows, and she said that she feels the same way. So that was a plus point because I have lots and lots of bows with me. So and yeah, these are all handmade. So I'm giving her some polka dots bows. Look how cute they are. And yeah, I have attached a leather bow here which she can reuse in her projects. And then there are some simple plain bows which I love, and I know she's gonna love it too. And I have attached a candy charm here which she can again reuse in her projects. And then there are some crepe paper rosettes handmade, and these are some beads that I'm gifting her, and it says happy. Okay, this goes back right here. And the last thing is the handmade card that I made for her. I have attached a paper clip and it has sequins at the top. Then I punched a doily and I attached a paper doily over here, which she can, if she wants, she can reuse it like that. And here I've used a foiled vellum and a ruffled border again, and it says magical. Hello friend, this is my card. So yeah, this is everything that I'm gonna gift her. Now I'm gonna pack everything and take a good picture of it, and let's see her reaction. I hope you love everything, Chami. Love you.